Hello and welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. In today's video, we'll be discussing the recent movement in ICE cotton futures, where weak demand has led to a significant pullback after a two-week rally. Let's dive into the details and explore what's driving the market trends this week. Starting the week on a strong note, cotton futures hit a 3-month high, but this momentum didn't last. By the end of the week, prices had declined due to sluggish demand. On Friday, the December cotton futures contract closed at 72.72 cents per pound, down 0.30 cents for the day. Other contracts, like March and May, also followed this downward trend, closing at 74.52 and 75.61 cents per pound, respectively. Overall, the December contract ended the week with a loss of 80 cents, marking its first weekly drop after 2 consecutive gains. This decline in cotton futures comes despite market support from a recent 50 basis point rate cut by the US Federal Reserve, which helped prices rise by 1.5% in August. However, weak demand, paired with disappointing US export sales, has weighed heavily on the market. US export data for the week ending September 19 showed cotton bookings at a marketing year low of just 87,784 running bales, with Turkey and Pakistan leading the purchases. Shipments were similarly down, hitting a marketing year low of 79,504 running bales. Looking at external markets, the dollar index dropped 91 points, while crude oil futures gained $0.97 per barrel, providing some relief to the overall market sentiment. Looking ahead, China's stimulus measures and dry weather conditions in Brazil might support cotton prices, though demand uncertainties remain a key concern. On the supply side, the US cotton crop faces potential challenges from Tropical Storm Ellen, which may develop into a hurricane. Currently, about 63% of the crop is showing open bolls, and 14% has already been harvested. Crop quality is another worry, with good, excellent ratings dropping to 37% and poor, very poor ratings rising to 33%. Additional market updates show that 868 cotton bales were sold on Thursday through the seam, with an average price of 67.83 cents per pound. ICE cotton stocks remain unchanged at 265 bales, while the Kotluk index fell by 90 points to 84.90 cents per pound. Meanwhile, the USDA's adjusted world price, AWP, increased by 223 points, now standing at 61.06 cents per pound. In terms of trading activity, the latest CFTC data reveals that managed money spec funds reduced their net short position by 12,969 contracts, bringing the total net short to 17,549 contracts. Market participants are now waiting for the USDA's next weekly export sales report to gain more clarity on future trends. To sum up, while concerns over storm-related damage and global market dynamics may offer some upward pressure, weak demand continues to weigh heavily on cotton futures. The market's near-term outlook remains uncertain, and traders are keeping a close eye on upcoming export data and global conditions for further direction. Thank you for tuning in to Ajay Astro Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis on commodities and financial markets. Stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.